Hey food lovers! Today, we're making an incredibly healthy, flavorful, and easy-to-make broccoli salad that even those who aren't big fans of broccoli will absolutely love. This salad is packed with nutrients, crunch, and refreshing flavors, making it a perfect addition to your meals. With the addition of roasted red peppers, tangy pickles, and sweet corn, every bite is bursting with deliciousness. Let's get started. Ingredients for broccoli salad: fresh broccoli, 3 to 4 pickles, 1/2 cup canned corn, 1 roasted red bell pepper, 2 to 3 green onions, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt to taste, juice of 1 lemon. Start by cutting the broccoli into small florets, just like you would with cauliflower. Boil water in a large pot and blanch the broccoli for 4 minutes to keep it tender, yet slightly crunchy. Drain and let it cool. Finely chop the green onions and add them to the cooled broccoli. Dice the roasted red bell pepper and pickles, then toss them into the bowl along with the corn. Drizzle the olive oil over the ingredients, then grate the garlic and add it in. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon, season with salt to taste, and gently mix everything together. Transfer your vibrant and refreshing broccoli salad into a serving dish. It's now ready to enjoy. This salad is not only nutrient-dense, light, and satisfying, but it also makes a perfect side dish or a meal on its own. If you're looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious salad, try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Enjoy your meal. Bon appétit!